Mabuhay and good day to all. I am Ronald Bugarin and I will be evaluating the social marketing campaign of the Department of Health's Undetectable Equals Untransmittable or U equals U campaign. This was launched in 2024 as the country's central pillar in response to the HIV epidemic in the Philippines. The campaign communicates the evidence based message that people living with HIV or PLHIV who are on sustained antiretroviral treatment or ART and maintain an undetectable viral load cannot sexually transmit HIV. The evaluation framework I will be using is the logic framework where the program will be evaluated based on inputs and activities, outputs and reach, outcome evaluation, and impact evaluation. Each indicator will be assessed based on identified metrics, and the scores will be totaled to identify if program has achieved its objectives. The campaign was not a solo mission, and DOH worked alongside esteemed partners like the PNAC, USCDC Philippines, PEPFAR, and USAID's EPIC project, as well as various community organizations. This collaboration earned a top rating of 5 for resources, which underscores the power of partnership in public health initiatives for resource augmentation. Moving on to trained personnel, the Department of Health focused on enhancing the skills of healthcare workers, key population, and partners through dedicated capacity building workshops. This approach ensured that everyone involved was well equipped to promote and implement the campaign effectively. Again, this effort was rated a 5, reflecting its pivotal role in the campaign's success. Finally, the DOH conducted extensive campaign activities which spanned across national and regional health promotion efforts, utilizing social media, videos, and community based communications. Each of these activities plays a crucial role in engaging the public and disseminating critical information about U equals U. DOH comprehensive strategy in this area was also rated a 5. As we focus on the outputs and reach of the campaign, let's begin by looking at the audience reach. The Department of Health U equals U campaign video, which was published in December 2024, garnered over 7,600 views. This demonstrates a strong level of interest and engagement from the public, which is a crucial step in spreading awareness and information. This was rated 3. For the distribution of IEC materials, these efforts were not limited to the campaign's YouTube presence. HIV advocacy groups and organizations played a key role in further disseminating these messages through their networks. This strategic collaboration resulted in a rating of 4, indicating a significant impact. Lastly, for engagement rate, which measured the ART coverage impressively, the coverage reached 90,854 PHIV, accounting for 67% of the diagnosed PHIV. This reflects the campaign's success, not only reaching the audience, but also in encouraging proactive health measures. The rating of 5 underscores the effectiveness of the approach. Looking at knowledge increase, the regional and community level health promotion activities have effectively disseminated credible information on the EU equals U message to target key population, resulting in a significant impact to HIV treatment awareness, which was rated 4. For attitude change during the campaign period, an impressive 90,854 people living with HIV access antiretroviral therapy, illustrating a positive shift in health seeking behavior. This is why it is rated 5. And finally, on behavior adoption, DOH achieved a remarkable milestone with 36,723 PHIV reaching viral suppression, which constitutes 88% of those who underwent viral load testing. This indicates a strong adherence to treatment among those tested, which is why it is rated 5. On impact evaluation of DOHU equals U campaign, this is where we see the tangible effects of efforts, especially in reducing problematic HIV treatment behaviors. The program achieved a significant milestone with 36,723 individuals being virally suppressed, which represents a remarkable 88% of those who underwent viral load testing. This figure highlights the effectiveness of strategies and the commitment of everyone involved in the campaign. It's not just a number, it's a testament to the lives that has been positively impacted and the progress towards better health outcomes, which is why it is rated 5. Combining all the ratings from each indicator, the total score for the Department of Health's U equals U campaign is 45, which signifies that the program fully achieved its objective. Now let's dive into the key takeaways from the Department of Health's U equals U campaign program evaluation. First, let's celebrate the strengths of the campaign. It built a strong alliance with development partners and community-based or HIV organizations. This collaboration has been crucial in advancing the HIV efforts. Additionally, DOH successfully held multisectoral workshop for healthcare workers, key population, and partners. This workshop focused on adapting the U equals U messages specifically for key populations, which is a significant step toward outreach strategy. However, there are areas where the campaign can improve on. The messaging needs to be more appealing to the masses and based on lived experiences of PHIV who are already virally suppressed. By refining the approach, the DOH can enhance engagement and ensure message resonates with a broader audience. Another area for improvement is ensuring an adequate supply of air-raising HIV centers. This is vital for maintaining the health and well-being of individuals relying on these medications. DOH's progress in addressing the HIV epidemic in the country is promising, and by addressing these areas for improvement, impact to the target key population can be further strengthened. You may check out the references posted on this report for details on the Department of Health's U equals U campaign. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig and I hope with this evaluation of the Department of Health Undetectable Equals Untransmittable campaign, we see the areas where we need to focus on in order to achieve the UNAIDS 1990 goal in eradicating HIV and AIDS in 2030 through HIV testing and immediate access to treatment for PHIV.